Good morning. This is call 2020-20528 in the interest of Mate Mendoza. All
Buenos
parties,
días, este es el caso 2020-2528 en el interés de Maite Aceret.
please raise your right hands to be sworn.
Por favor, levanten la mano derecha para estar jurados.
Judge, she's on the phone.
Oh, there's only one.
So we have Attorney Navarro here. Her client is in the room with her, and the custodial parent, Ms. Alcala, is on the phone.
Okay, well, okay. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Señora, ¿usted jura decir la verdad, toda la verdad delante de Dios?
Sí, señor.
All right, please state your name and your
Yes,
relationship to the child.
Por favor, diga su nombre y qué es la relación de usted al niño.
Mi nombre es Teresa de Jesús Alcalá de la Garza y soy la mamá de Maite Aceret.
My name is Teresa de Jesus Alcalá, and I'm the mother of Aceret.
All right, and representing the mother?
No
No,
one
no.
represents the non-custodial parent.
That's the only person
Judge.
here. Okay.
But I'm present for the father, but we are requesting a reset of the trial date.
Oh, okay, wait a minute. I'm a little mixed up. Ma'am, Ms. Navarro, please identify yourself and who you represent.
This is Elena Navarro representing Ricardo Mendoza, the father.
Okay, and where is your client?
He is here in front of me, Judge. He was in the breakout room, but since we were just approaching on a reset, they haven't brought him in.
Was he sworn in?
Yes, he was sworn. Right in front. He's in the
I didn't hear any response.
contesta.
Sí, yo Ricardo Mendoza.
Yes, I'm Ricardo Mendoza.
And what is your relationship to the child?
¿Y qué es la relación de usted al niño?
Soy su padre.
I am the father.
All right, and again, ma'am, your name and who you represent?
I am Elena Navarro for the father, Ricardo Mendoza.
And for the state?
Yo soy
Angela Jeffries.
representando a Mendoza.
Sorry, Angela Jeffries, Your Honor.
Y para el estado, la abogada Angela Jeffries.
Okay, we've got a petition to establish the parent-child relationship. Is that correct, Ms. Jeffries?
Yes, Your Honor. This is a temp order that was to be finalized today. The non-custodial parents' attorneys requesting a reset. We have this on the trial docket.
Judge,
Okay.
and my
Okay, Ms. Navarro, you want to present your request for a reset?
Yes, Your Honor. I am currently set to appear in Galveston County in County Court at Law Number 2 at 11 a.m. And we have been waiting for a Spanish, somebody to help us in Spanish for the parties since at least 8:30 a.m. And since we haven't even gotten started, I do need to head in person. I have an in-person hearing to Galveston. And so I don't think I'm going to make it.
Estamos pidiendo una posponer porque hemos estado esperando desde las 8:30 y a esperar en español y tengo que estar en otra corte en el condado de Houston. Por eso estoy pidiendo posponer la cita a otra fecha.
Where is Mario Caballero?
Judge, he asked me to cover this for him because he was not available today. I thought we would get done by the time I would leave, but like I said, we haven't even gotten started. I have offered to come back at 1:30, Judge, if that's necessary. My client is here.
All right, let's do that. We'll come back at 1:30.
Okay, that'll be fine, Judge. Thank you very much. May I leave?
Vamos a regresar para casa a la 1:30 para tratar de terminar este caso hoy.
Okay.
Señora Alcala,
Dígame.
¿puede regresar atrás a la 1:30?
Ah, sí, pero la situación es de que yo tendría que regresar a mi trabajo a las 3 de la tarde. ¿Cree que sea un tiempo considerable para poder tratar esto?
Yo creo que sí.
Sí.
Pero va a ser a
Sí,
la primera.
sí, vamos a tratar de finalizar esta causa.
Ok,
All right.
yo le agradezco mucho. Ujú.
Okay.
La primer número que llamó en la mañana, por favor, a la
Y la
1:30.
numeración del código para acceder al meeting sería el mismo que me otorgó la última vez, 917-4691-9149, o cambiaría
No,
el número.
va a ser el de 892, el primero que marcó.
Oh, ok, perfecto. Okay, sería 892-0876-3897, ¿eso es correcto?
Sí,
Ok, sería la 1:30, solamente para verificar.
a la 1:30 sí, y ahí vamos a hacer el caso.
Ok, entonces yo me comunico unos 10 minutos antes de la hora programada, no hay ningún problema.
Ningún problema, muchas gracias, sí.
Sí, gracias, yo les bendiga, hasta luego.
Gracias, bye.
There's 6 people in the waiting room. You want this one?
May we
Your
be
Honor, may I be
excused, Your Honor?
excused?
Yes,
Thank you.
till 1:30.
Thank you.
Now, what do you want me to do?
Hello, Judge. This is the Flowers case with
Okay,
the.
hold on. Who do we have? Only German Flowers?
Yes, that's the NCP. Mom should be calling in shortly as well. Is she not in the waiting room?
Hello, how you doing?
There she is.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Flowers, go ahead and turn on your video. Ms. Martinez, go ahead and unmute yourself. And move the camera down so the judge needs to be able to see both. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Okay, this is call number 2008-47521 in the interest of Michaela, Jasleen, and Aaliyah Flowers. Please, all parties raise your right hand to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
Yes,
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the children.
Marcelina Martinez, I'm the mother.
All right, sir, your name and your relationship to the children.
Jamal Flowers, father.
And for the state,
Koya Armstrong, representing the Office of the Attorney General.
and what are we doing today, Ms. Armstrong?
Thank you, Your Honor. We have a couple of things I need to request of the court today. The first thing I need to ask the court to do is do a trial amendment to add a fourth child that the parties had 3 years ago named Elijah Cole Flowers. That was not originally on our petition. We have agreed to add the fourth child to this case.
So is that your agreement, Ms. Ayala? Or Ms.
Martinez.
Ms. Martinez, yes, sir.
Is that your agreement, Mr. Flowers, to add the fourth child?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, let me make an entry here.
Thank you, Your Honor.
What is the child's name, Ms. Armstrong?
His name is Elijah, Elijah. Is his first name.
Flowers?
Middle name is Cole, Cole. Last name is Flowers. Elijah Cole Flowers, male child born February 22nd, 2017.
All right,
All right.
we've done that.
Thank you, Your Honor. The next order of business is to have Mr. Flowers accept service on the record. He received a copy of the petition through email today, and I'd like him to accept service on the record.
Okay, Mr. Flowers, have you received a copy of the petition?
Yes.
And Ms. Martinez also received a copy of it, but she was served. But I sent her a courtesy copy again as well.
You have a copy, Ms. Martinez?
Yes, sir.
All right, what else are we doing?
Thank you, Your Honor. The third order of business is the parties have agreed, I believe, to a final order today to add the younger two children, Aaliyah and Elijah, to this order. I want to see the agreement proven up on the record.
All right, go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. I would like to state the agreement into the record, and then I'll call each parties as to their agreement, if that's okay, Your Honor.
All right.
All right. The proposed agreement is that the parties will be made joint managing conservator of all four children, with mom as the primary. Mom will be restricted to keep the children's primary residence in Harris County or contiguous counties. Dad will have a standard possession order as for all four children. We're doing the trial amendment to add the fourth child, Elijah Cole Flowers. Dad will pay child support for all four children in the amount of $644 per month. That payment will begin January 1st of 2021. I then will have step-down payments listed in the order each child emancipates. Dad will also pay, in addition to his child support, he will also pay an additional $215 per month, which will also begin January 1st of 2021, and that's for the medical for all four children. Mom will apply for the government medical assistant program for all four children. And dad will pay any court costs if billed by Harris County, court costs due March 1st of 2021. Dad and mom have also agreed to retroactive child support for those two children that we're adding in the amount of $15,000 even. I took off a little bit of money because Mr. Flowers was in future pay a little bit on the prior order, so I needed to adjust it. It was $15,840 for retro. I brought it down to $15,000 even so that he's not double paying, okay? And payout for that will be $100 per month towards that judgment, also beginning January 1st of 2021. I then stepped up each payment as each child emancipates towards that judgment. Mr. Flowers works at A&R Transport, and his monthly gross income was about $2,383.33 per month gross. And I base that on 35%, and that's how we came to our child support numbers today, Your Honor. And that's all I have.
All right. Is that your agreement, Mr. Flowers? Mr. Flowers,
Sir.
is that your agreement?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. And Ms. Martinez, unmute yourself, please.
Yes, sir.
Is that your agreement?
Yes, sir.
All right. The court will approve the agreement. The order is to be submitted today by the Attorney General.
Yes, sir. I will draft the order. I will try to get the parties to sign it, but since it's been on the record, I may just submit it if I'm not able to get their signatures, but I will try to get them for signatures.
All right. Thank you.
Thank
Way to
you.
go.
Thank you. If y'all two can log in back on the other one for me. Thank you.
They log to the waiting room, or what? They log in another number. No, when they call in.
They call in on the negotiation number.
Okay, and what do they do with them? They put them in a waiting room or something?
Yeah, once they're all logged in, then Natasha will see who it is and the waiting period. Determine what actions to accept.
And then to have a hearing, they have to dial into another.
They dial into this